Hi friends, today we will learn about how to create pivot table, and this will help you to summarize all the information in your Excel sheet in a single view. So as an example, what I have done is, like, there are different school names, the classes, different sections, and number of students, right? So just to get a summarization of how many schools have how many students, and how many classes have how many sections and how many students. So it's very simple. Just select all the information, click on insert, click on pivot table, click on OK, and here you will get all the filters, all the which were there in the Excel sheet. So it's simply, you just need to drag it. The school name, you can drag it in row as per your requirement, and number of students, you can drag it in the value, right? Simply you need to select it and just drag it there. This will give you how many schools have how many students, right? And if you want to see it, like how many classes are there, this will give you the class wise, the number of students in each school, right? And even you can filter it through section wise also. You can simply put, move class in filters and get the sections under columns. So this is how you can, as per your requirement, move this move these searches, pivot table fields into different fields, right? So this will give you the summarization of as per your requirement. It will make it very easy. Hope this has helped you. Thank you so much and take care. Bye.